Welcome to the world of precision artistry, where science meets creativity. Today, we delve into the fascinating process of chemical etching, perfected by the experts at Ambay Etching process. Chemical etching is a highly precise and efficient technique used to engrave intricate designs onto metal surfaces, creating visually stunning and durable patterns. The process begins with design. We work closely with clients to ensure every detail is tailored to their specifications, whether it's for industrial plates, signage, or decorative items. Once the design is finalized, it's transferred onto the metal plate using a photosensitive resist coating. This coating protects specific areas of the metal, leaving others exposed for the etching process. The plate is then exposed to UV light, which hardens the resist in the desired pattern. The unexposed areas are carefully washed away, revealing the design. Now, the magic begins. The plate is submerged in a chemical etching solution that reacts with the exposed metal, dissolving it to create the design with incredible precision. After etching, the plate is meticulously cleaned to remove any residue. Our team conducts thorough inspections to ensure the quality and accuracy of every detail. Ambay Etching process takes pride in delivering excellence in every project. For all your chemical etching needs, trust the experts at Ambay Etching process. Your vision, our precision.